One, two. One, two. Ay, tulukan na camera.
Kaya, mga tinitingin ko sa'yo. Yan siya na the bread. Volleyball balsan.
Oh, lamig. Oh my God.
Oh. That's right. Oh.
Sige, from there, stand your
Ikaw
arms.
video ako mag-spot.
Bend your knees like that.
Hindi, daddy, magja-jump and fall na. Yan.
Sige, from here na. Bend your arms, bend your knees. Check underneath you. Try to climb underneath them. Always stand away from the wall. Always check the corners before moving it. And then finally, when you see someone doing the boulder, like first, use the yellow boulder. Try not to do boulder beside you.
Baba, climb down.
Beside them, like the yellow boulder. Okay? Do you have any other questions? You're good now? Alright, thank you so much.
Sige, ako na bahala. Thank you. Ay, try to get your body to this side. Huh? Here. Right? And then,
Your right foot.
ito. Like, wait. Use this here. And then right foot up. Right foot. Good girl. Let's say stand ka lang muna. Stand. Stand. Then reach for that yellow one. Okay. Stand. Stand good. Stand. Yan. Stand. Ito yung climb down na.
Sorry.
Wala na. Nagod na ako. Hindi tayo ah.
No.
Nagod na ako.
Okay. Match. Let's go. He's leaving us.
Hey, how do you go down? You don't jump. Climb down. This is what you do. Ano joke mo? Ano ang pinayela?
Okay.
Ayun tayo. Joke lang. I'm 48 na. I wanna go home.